All right. What's going on today, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the Near protocol. All right. And we're actually on kraken.com right now. So Near protocol was a requested video from the viewers' comments. Okay. So, you guys are my viewers. You guys are my fam. You guys are my friends. Let me know what videos you guys want. Okay. Let me know a protocol, a coin, a token, a stock, any of those things you guys want analyzed. I got you. Okay. I'll do it as soon as I can get to it. So we're going to be looking at Near protocol. Let me know if you guys use the Kraken exchange and if you know anything about it and if you want a video on Kraken. I really love Kraken. I like that one a lot. Okay. So anyways, we're on there and they have, you can learn about cryptos on there. Okay. So it's something I highly suggest. Learn about some crypto. So we're going to look at what is Near protocol and the Near protocol explain section. Okay. So it goes over who created it. It was founded by Alex Gidanov and Ilya Polushkin. All right. Probably, butchering those names. Doesn't matter. All right. So I'm not looking too much into who created it right now. If you guys want a video on the team behind it, I love doing team dives. The team behind something is very important in my opinion. So we'll go into why does Near have value? Okay, so Near protocol uses a native token called Near, which allows users to pay fees for transactions, run applications, and pay for storage. Applications on Near must pay storage fees to the Near protocol for any data that they store on the network and for performing computations. The network partially burns these tokens or eliminates them from circulation, reducing the circulating supply of Near tokens in the process. Computers running the Near protocol software ensure transactions are accurate and known to validators. Validators then receive a reward for maintaining the Near blockchain security and validity by staking their tokens on the network. Okay, that kind of goes into the whole staking and Ethereum 2.0 kind of upgrade. If you don't know much about staking, I got a video in the top right hand corner. You can watch that, come back to this. It kind of breaks down what is staking. Okay. So Near protocol increases its token supply by 5% each year, with 90% of these newly released tokens going to validators. The remainder goes to the blockchain's treasury to support the platform development. All right. Why should you use Near? Okay, what are some of the reasons why people use it? Users may find the Near protocol appealing based on its sharding technology, which may allow for greater transaction capacity and security than other platforms. Okay, and I got a brand new video dropping, okay, on the sharding, okay, because Near is just finessing the game right now. They got another upgrade coming. They got the Near simple nightshade, okay, and that has to do with their sharding and stuff like that. All right, so click that video, watch that video in the top right hand corner on Near simple nightshade. Okay, that's some important news. But for now, we're just gonna go into general. What is it? All right. So further, developers may want to use this platform to build more efficient applications that may experience a high volume of activity. Ethereum developers looking to build bridges, their application to Near may also find its layer 2 solutions attractive. Okay. And what else does it say? Investors may wish to buy Near and add it to their portfolio should they believe in the future of sharding as a way to scale blockchain technology and wish to have a stake in the future development of the Near ecosystem. Okay. In the Beacon 2.0 video, or I'm sorry, in the Ethereum 2.0, the Beacon chain video that I dropped, which covers the upgrade because Ethereum is going from proof of work to proof of stake, and it's a slow transition, but basically that's going to be Ethereum 2.0. And that, blockchain is going to switch. The main network that Ethereum runs on right now is the proof of work, right? When it switches fully, it's going to be fully merged with the Beacon chain. It's going to be completely proof of stake. And Vitalik Buterin has a lot of info on sharding. Sharding can be really beneficial to crypto. Some people think, all right. And, Near is sharding all over the game right now. So anyways, man, that's just a brief breakdown of Near protocol. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more about Near. I got a video covering the chart, the price update. Okay, so feel free to search that as well. And, you can get some updates on the price action. All right. Really, really good at identifying major key support and resistance levels. And, once you watch my videos and learn how to understand support and resistance, you can make you possibly could make some money. Okay. I'm not saying that you will, but you know, a lot of people in the Discord, they love my analysis, and they frequently are like, hey, yo, Zachly, go ahead and can I get analysis on this? Can I get analysis on that? Can I get analysis on this? Can I get analysis on that? And I just give them a chart, bro. Just give them a chart, and they say thank you. They say thanks. Bet. All right. So that's all I need from you guys, man. Is just help me out. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord where you can trade with us every day. I got like a cool 500% trade yesterday. I think it was about 45 minutes. Don't believe me? Join the Discord and follow my trades next time, okay? Because you could have bought in when I bought in, and I tell people what price I buy at, and then I sell, and I tell people what price I sell at. So, not just me. There's also other admin members in there who basically taught me and helped groom me with a lot of the stuff that I know. And so, it's a team, okay? It's like, this is not like me, just like some dude, running the Discord. This is a whole team of people who really got their stuff together. And there's so many resources in there that you kind of won't even need to research stuff online anymore, because you can just get all the latest and greatest news from the Discord. And you can get a lot of resources and data that other people don't have access to. Okay, so use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades. Join the Discord to get a membership discount with that code. And yeah, links in the description, man.